I'm Beth. We're making the blueberry refresher today. We're using our top secret experimental gin. We're gonna do 1 ounce of that, 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. I also made a blueberry syrup. So once you do your simple syrup base, you boil some blueberries as well, strain that, and then you get a wonderful specialty simple syrup. After that, you're gonna get some ice, fill your glass, fill your shaker tin, give it a little shake, strain it into the glass, top it off with some lemon tonic fever tree. Then you're gonna garnish it with a mint sprig and 3 blueberries. And there you have it, the blueberry refresher. Cheers. Ooh, that's nice. Go.